Hello students. Welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to teach you how to write the IUPAC name and the structures of some common organic acids. As I've already written in the first one, you see, it is called acetic acid. And you all must be knowing that acetic acid is also called ethanoic acid. So eth meaning two carbon, so 1, 2, an meaning single bond, so there is a single bond in between the two carbon, and then oic acid, since there are no numbers, it indicates that it is in the first one, so I have drawn COOH here in one side, and the other carbon is filled with hydrogen, so there was one bond already, and the other three are filled by 3 hydrogen. Okay, so the next one is formic acid. What is it called? It is also called methanoic acid. What is it called? Methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. So obviously there cannot be anything else except a COOH. So this is HCOO and H. Okay, then moving to the third one, that is oxalic acid. What is it? Oxalic acid. Now oxalic acid is ethan 1, 2 dioic acid. Okay, ethan 1, 2 dioic acid. So how will we draw it? COOH single bond COOH. Okay. Then the next one, it is lactic acid. What is lactic acid? It is 2-hydroxy propanoic acid. 2-hydroxy propanoic acid. So it is prop. So 1, 2, 3 carbon. Okay. In the second carbon there is a hydroxy. It means OH. And it is a propanoic acid. So it is COOH. And the rest fill up with hydrogen. So this is 3 and this is 1. Okay. The next one is citric acid. Now what is citric acid? 3-carboxy, okay, hydroxy, then 3-hydroxy, then pentan, okay, then 1, 5 dioic acid. I repeat, 3-carboxy, 3-hydroxy, pentan, 1, 5 dioic acid. So how do we write? Suppose I write it in a longer version, okay? So COOH, so this can be considered first, then CH2, this is suppose second, then C, and then in the third you can see there is a carboxy as well as a hydroxy. Carboxy, as I told you, if COOH is taken as a branch, it is called carboxy. Yes, and hydroxy is OH. Okay, then coming to the fourth, it is CH2, and then coming to the fifth, it is COOH. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 chained carbons, and in the third carbon we have a carboxy as well as hydroxy, and the first and the fifth are oic acid. Okay. Now next moving on to succinic acid. Succinic acid is butan 1, 4. Butan 1, 4 dioic acid. Okay, butan 1,4 dioic acid. So again, if I write in the longer form, COOH, then this is CH2, then this is CH2, and then this is COOH. So the first carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first and the fourth carbon are oic acid. So 1,4 dioic acid. Now lastly, tartaric acid. What is tartaric acid? 2,3 dihydroxy butan 1,4 dioic acid. Okay, so again it is a but, so 4 carbon, suppose 1, then 2, okay, then 3, and this is fourth. Since they have given 1,4 dioic acid, so I have written this way. Then in the second and the third carbon you have an OH. So suppose this is OH and this is another OH. Okay. Now if we look at the second carbon, 1, 2, 3 bonds filled up. So 1 is left. This is hydrogen. Here also 1 is left. This is hydrogen. I hope you have understood, students.